Chandra Visnoy from class 11 science. Today I am here to deliver news. Today's news is PM Narendra Modi declared the date for Pran Pratishtha Sri Ram Mandir is on 29th January 2024, and in UFC Anshul Jubli lost his first match. Beats England in Cricket World Cup. India is on top on points table. Thank you.
Hits you, you feel no pain. With this, a great good morning to respected principals, sir, directors, sir, teachers, and all my friends. Myself, Divya Prajapat from class 11 science, and I am here to present speech on power of music. Music could be defined as the form of sound with the power to develop emotion within the minds of listener. A great song will lift your heart, warm the soul, and make you feel good. With the support of music, an individual construct an imaginary world within them. By hearing music, a person can relax both the body and mind at the same time. Music helps us to get rid of all unwanted thoughts, stress, etc. from our lives. Without any doubt, music is a great medicine for healing the wounds of our mind, and more people are realizing and accepting the power of music. The connection between human health and music is so strong. Music has the power to bring back old memories of individuals. Thus, we can say that there is a music in every human being or a living creature. Thank you.
I, Roshni of class 11 science, stand here for English thought. Art and music shine a light of meaning on ordinary life, and through them we are able to confront the things that trouble us and to find consolation and peace in their presence. Thank you.
Science stand before you to deliver a speech on the power of art. Art is something that can be described and expressed in several different ways to communicate ideas and emotions through visualization. Through art, we are able to see the world like never before. It inspires and motivates us to be creative. We are able to think further and beyond. Art has the power to move people and evoke emotions that word can never do. Whether we are looking at a painting, admiring a sculpture, or listening to an opera, art makes us feel alive in ways we thought were unimaginable. Art is universal and can be found everywhere. It is not only for people who exercise work art, but for those who consume it. If there were no art, we would not have been able to see the beauty in things. In other words, art helps us feel and relax, forget about our problems. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all present over here. I, Ashika Pawar, and I, Rashi Rathod, behalf of class 11 science, stand before you to conduct today's assembly on the topic Power of Arts and Music. Now I will request to invite prayer girls on the stage.
Student of class 11 science, stand before you to deliver a short note on power of art and music. Art and music are critical for our youth. Whether they are exposed to art and music school or through private classes and lessons, the benefits are incredible. Immersing children in music can help boost their brain power. Music stimulates the parts of brain associated with academic achievement. Students involved in the arts have tremendous academic benefits compared to students without exposure to the arts. Arts inspire kids to excel in and out of the classroom. It helps students stay in school, increase motivation, and improves overall academic performance. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Roshni for English thought.
This means that whatever around you, how can you manage it? In your home, lot of things is there. If you manage it properly, it's art. In a school, you manage yourself, it is art. And music, you all know that music that heal us when we have a lot of tension in our life. So art and music is very important. This is all about today's topic. And now the most important thing about our assembly. First of all, class 1 to 8.
Don't get it, or they think of art as something that's just for intellectuals or artsy people. But really, art is for anyone who wants to experience it, and it's often in more places than we might realize. Songs you like, movies you watch, poems, theater, even a quilt that your grandmother made. All of it, and through the ages, it's evolved in a number of different ways. And the reasons for creating it vary from person to person depending on any number of factors. So define